So yeah, it's really late already. I just finished packing everything up. Tomorrow I have a couple of shootings in Bern, and now I have to get some sleep because tomorrow it's going to be a really cold day. It's almost 5 in the morning and just starting my day. Psych about today. Some cool shootings going on, some meetings I have also, so it's going to be fun. And I love starting so early every day. Nobody's out, you know, like everybody's still sleeping and you are just like full gas starting your day. Awesome. Alright guys, so I'm in Bern today. During the morning I had a couple of meetings and now I'm just heading to the first garage I'm going to visit here in Bern. Let's do this!
Still no gasoline coming out.
Nothing.
Yeah. It's a little bit of gas and a lot of sugar.
Means that he must open the gas tank and just pour sugar. Doesn't make any sense. Like, stop.
Yeah, completely, man. Absolutely. Unbelievable.
I know I told you guys back in the video that I was going to visit another garage. I actually did. Thing is, I didn't do anything. every time I go and visit these guys, we just end up talking and having a great time. No bike building, no videos, no photos, nothing, just talking. So yeah, that's pretty much what happened. We just end up having a great time and I didn't do shit. So for that, I will show you some footage I did the other day with a buddy of mine, filming with the drone and just riding the bike till I f***ed up my bike. If you haven't done it already, please subscribe, share, like, I don't know, like all that shit together. And I will see you in the next episode.